We'll guide you through how to restore WhatsApp from a backup on Android. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's important to note that you will need to have made a backup which you wish to go and restore from. So in this case, I went and backed mine up, but you may have automatic backup set up, it doesn't matter. So to go and restore, first of all, you'll need to go and uninstall WhatsApp if you still currently have it uninstalled. So here's my WhatsApp here. I'll hold my finger on it and click on uninstall like so, and I'll then press OK like so, and we've now gone and uninstalled it. Now what we need to do is go and download it again. After it's finished installing, go and click on open like so. And then what you'll need to do is go through the setup process again. So choose your language. You'll need to agree to the terms and privacy policy here. I've already read them before. And then what you need to do is go and enter in your phone number. After you've entered your number, you'll see this pop up about contacts and media. I like to go and press continue here so it's all synced up. And then after you've done that, you should go and get this pop up saying restore backup. It says restore your chats. There's a backup 16 minutes ago. Restore your messages and media from Google storage. If you don't restore now, you won't be able to go and restore it later. So in this case, I'll go and click on restore, just like so. It's now preparing, and all you need to do is go and wait. Mine won't take too long as I had very little sort of in the backup. And as you can see, all messages have been restored. I'll go and click on next like so, and we can then go and continue with the setup. So I'll choose my name there, and just like that, it's now gone and restored it all. It is that simple. So if you guys found this useful and you want to see more guides just like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.